Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope all of you are fine and doing well. So here is the topic we will have. Its uses of sodium, magnesium, and calcium. Basically, the sodium it belongs to group 1A, and on the other hand, the two metals which is magnesium and calcium, they both belongs to group 2A. The group 1A elements are called as alkali metals, and the group 2A elements are known as alkaline earth metals. As alkaline earth metals. So both have different properties, although both are the metals, but their uses are different. Their some properties are different, their reactivity is different, and somehow their physical properties are also differ from each other. Now here we have the picture of the freshly cut sodium. As the sodium is too much soft, so it can be easily cut down with the help of the knife. So this is the sodium metal that is having silvery color. And here we have the magnesium that is present in the granular form. So the magnesium is also present in the silvery color, which is having shiny surface or the lustrous. The third one here we have it is calcium. The calcium is also present in the silver form. On the other hand, the calcium here we have in the form of clusters, but it is harder as compared to the magnesium, and magnesium is harder as compared to the sodium. So this is the simple overview about sodium, magnesium, and calcium. Now we will discuss about their uses. The first one metal which we have is sodium. Now what is the sodium use? First one, it is used as an alloy with the potassium. So we will discuss about the sodium potassium alloy. This is used as a coolant in the nuclear reactor. So this is a picture of simple nuclear reactors that are going to produce the electricity. Now the alloy which is made up of sodium and potassium, the main ingredient is potassium over there. It is used as a coolant in this industry. So to decrease the temperature here, as already you can see that easily the smoke, it's been a lot of reactions are taking place over there. So to reduce the heat over there in the simple nuclear reactors, we need over there the alloy of sodium and potassium. The second use of sodium over there we have, it is used to produce the yellow light in the sodium vapor lamps. So different types of lamps we can see around us, but the sodium can also be used in the simple lamp. These lamps are basically known as the sodium lamps. And in these lamps, it is used to produce this yellow light specifically, and it is known as the sodium vapor lamp as well. It is used in the specific type of the chemical reactions and to study a lot of compounds. The third one use of the sodium here we have, it is used as a reducing agent in the extraction of metals like titanium. So reducing agent, it's mean the sodium has the power to reduce. Why it is used as reducing? Because sodium can lose the electrons easily and it get oxidize itself, but can reduce the others by denoting the electrons or by losing the electrons. Now the other substance will gain the electron that has been lost by the sodium. So it is having a highly reducing power and it is used in the extraction of the metals like titanium. So this is a simple picture of the sodium you can, and it can easily cut with the knife. Then we have uses of magnesium over there. Magnesium is basically used in the fireworks, in the missiles, or in the airplanes. In the firework, like all the firework or all the type of the different materials that we use during the weddings or for different purposes, magnesium is used in this firework. It is also used in the missiles and airplanes. The second use of the magnesium we have, it is used to help the body function in the presence of the magnesium, our body will work in a proper way. The other use of metal is to make them stronger. So we can add up the magnesium to other metals to make them stronger because magnesium is harder as compared to the sodium. Then we have it is mainly used because of it is having low densities. Density is low as compared to other. So a high chemical reactivity and its ability to form the intermetallic compounds with the other elements. What type of intermetallic compounds? The compounds mean which have both the properties of metals and non-metals are basically known as the compounds intermetallic in nature. So the non-metals compound, they are intermediate of both the properties of metals and non-metals. The last one use of the magnesium we have, it is used a lot to make the metals, steels and iron cast. So it helps us to make the different types of alloys. It can be used as an alloy with the aluminium, and 43% of the alloys are made up of magnesium and aluminium. It is also used as a structural matter, means to make the different compounds itself, not as an alloy. It's 40% percentage. Then about 11% of it is used in iron and steel processing, and 6% of this is used in electrochemical for other uses, like for the electrochemical processes. It is used in electrochemical different reactions. So this was a simple overview about the uses of the magnesium here. Then we have the uses of calcium. Basically, calcium it is used to remove the sulfur from the petrochemical or petroleum products. The petroleum products, a lot of we have, like we have petrol, we have coal, we have the refining process, or we have the crude oil. So all these are the petroleum products. Now, if they have sulfur, now how we can remove that sulfur? We have to use the calcium to remove that sulfur. Then the second use of calcium here we have, it is used as a reducing agent to produce the chromium, uranium and zirconium. As calcium contains two electrons in its valence shell, and by losing two electrons it carries a charge positive 2. This can be happened by the loss of electrons. So its lost electron can be gained by the other atoms of an element. In turn, they get reduced. So the calcium is having a high power of reducing the others. This is a simple picture of the calcium we have. So this was all about today's lecture. I hope you guys understand, and if you have any queries you may ask me about that in the comment section. The next topic that we will have is the inertness of the noble matters. So for that time you guys keep learning and have a good day.